Hello, this is Thunderbolt to VGA adapter which can be used to our MacBook or Mac Mini to connect to external display. On the input source it is Thunderbolt that it will be connected to your MacBook, and the output source is VGA, so you can connect to your VGA monitor. And the supported devices are Mac Mini 2011 or any latest Mac Mini which has Thunderbolt port, and same is applicable for MacBook Pro also, and it is supported to MacBook Air also. It can be purchased from Amazon India or Amazon US website, for which you can get around $10. For connection, you have to attach the VGA cable on the output source, and the input source will be connected to your device, which can be MacBook or any Mac Mini. So after connecting it, if there is single display, then there is no option to choose VGA option. Otherwise, if you have two display, then you can choose the input source as VGA on your monitor, and yeah, it will be connected very easily. And if it is not connecting, then there is some fault in the adapter or in your Thunderbolt port. So you just have to enter your password. In the starting it will behave like a dual display, so if you want to see the exact what you are seeing on your device, so you can just change the setting to mirror display option. So as you can see here, I am logged in, and if I check my display settings, so here you can see my MacBook is displaying on the display. If I go to system preferences and about system, it will list my device name, and in the display setting there will be two display. The one is of the MacBook, and the second is which you have connected. So you can change the options also, mirroring option, and if you want to behave like a dual display, then you can use that also.